Hi guys, good morning. So quick video lang. Ito yung supplements that I take every morning and this is inspired by Brian Johnson's Blueprint Protocol. Inspired by. So Philippine version. I'm taking this para gumanda yung blood work ko and also may explain ko actually kung para saan ang mga supplement stock ko and why I take them. So this is for the mornings, I take NAC, okay? This is good kapag meron kayong mga ubo, sipon, ganyan for mga secretions yan. But I am mainly taking this doon sa isang factor or meron siya which is antioxidant. So ito nakakatulong and I'm taking it for my liver health. And then this one is fish oil, okay, laman niya. Nilagay ko lang sa maliit na multivitamin container. Kasi pagka minsanan mo siya tinake, magdidikit-dikit siya eh. Pero this is from SNR, it's a wild caught fish oil. So when you buy fish oils, it needs to be wild caught, hindi farm raised, okay? Bakit fish oil, Joma? Fish oil is for heart health, also for the brain. And syempre maganda siya for healthy fats. So I'm taking these two. And then, bumili ako ng shot glass actually. Para mas madaling i-take. Pinapanood ng asawa ko. Madaling i-take yung olive oil. So for olive oil naman, ang tip ko is buy the cold extracted olive oil. Ayan. It's good for your heart health also. It's a good source of fat. So for me, what we use sa bahay when we're cooking, olive oil saka coconut oil. Okay? If you want avocado oil is in the middle. It's more expensive than coconut oil, but it's less expensive than olive oil. In terms of antioxidants, some benefits, anti-aging, olive oil pa rin ako. So I take about 3 tablespoons nun. So around 15 to 20 ml every day. Okay? And then the next I take is yung apple cider vinegar. This is for gut health, okay? Para sa mga tiyan natin, sa mga microbiomes natin. Konti lang, siguro mga 2 tablespoons lang. Hinahalo ko sa water kasi medyo maasim to, guys. Okay. And that's it. Afterwards, I drink my morning coffee and then I stay fasted until about lunchtime. Wherein I take another meal. Tapos lunch naman, I take vitamin C. Kasi it's good when you take it pag medyo may araw pa. And then also the multivitamins. By the way, for NAC, another thing I'm taking this sa morning kasi if you take this with protein, it will reduce the absorption. So yun guys. Kaya hindi ko siya tinitake ng may meals kasi bababa yung available na nutrients when you take it with protein. So again, that's it. 4 na supplements I'm taking. Ayan. Tapos, iba naman yung sa evening. Yung sa afternoon, vitamin C and multivitamins. And then for the evenings naman, I take magnesium ashwagandha. So, isang capsule na lang yan. Dalawa na yung meron siya. I used to take zinc picolinate pero wala akong makita stable na supply. Pero I'm looking for it. So, magnesium ashwagandha, zinc picolinate, and ano pa ba? Alimutan ko no? Yun lang yata 3. Magnesium ashwagandha and zinc picolinate at nighttime. Okay, that's it guys. Medyo 4 minutes na yung video. Just a quick video for you guys. So, by the way, for the next video, siguro I will discuss my blood works, no? And then discuss ko kung ano yung nangyari sa akin before, no? Nagkaroon ako ng problem with my heart. Paano ko siya minamanage. And syempre, pag ganyan, hindi naman tayo parang, uy, magaling na ako, back to normal na. It's more of what's my protocol right now. What I'm eating, ano yung diet ko, ano yung mga ginagawa ko to preserve yung health natin. Okay, and thankfully, 2026, wala na tayong maintenance meds, nakakapag-gym na tayo, wala na tayong nararamdaman na kakaiba. Okay, yung BP natin so far is good. So, I hope if you're watching this and you have things na nararamdaman mo, na take care of your health, guys. Okay? Anin mo yung maraming pera kung may sakit ka naman. So, that's it, guys. Thank you.